Kootenai County residents. My name is firefighter Tony Blasek with Kootenai County Fire and Rescue, and we would like to take an opportunity to challenge every household in Kootenai County to create a home fire escape plan. This works whether you have children or don't have children. Everybody needs to have an escape plan from their house in order to get out of each room in your house in under 2 minutes. So when I teach in the schools, I call it 2 by 2. You gotta know 2 ways out of every room in under 2 minutes. This is because our studies have been showing us that modern homes with modern furniture and all of the plastics that we have in our houses today cause fires to burn at a lot faster rate, and are showing that we really need to be able to get out of our house in under 3 minutes before the fire is no longer survivable for people in the house. So we need to know 2 ways out of every room in under 2 minutes. We are going to provide a link with this video to this document produced by the National Fire Protection Association, and it has a checklist. It's a little bit on the elementary side, but it has a checklist of what to do and what to practice and how to go about it. But on the back side of it, on the next page, it provides an opportunity for children or even middle schoolers or high schoolers to draw their house and to show 2 ways out of every room in under 2 minutes. Now, for all my teacher friends out there, this lesson is completely able to be differentiated to a lot of different levels. For kindergartners, first graders, the parents could draw the house and then they draw the 2 ways out of every room. For a third, fourth grader, maybe they need to draw the house and how to get out. When you get up into middle school, high school, maybe you just give them a grid paper and they need to draw the house to scale, so they have to go through and do all the measuring. I know that all the kids out there right now would love an extra homework project, so this could be a great opportunity for people to do this. We also need you to practice how to get out of every room in under 2 minutes. Now, here's the challenge that we're going to provide. If you are willing to take pictures, videos, or both, and send them to us, either post it to the link on the Facebook page, or send it to us as a private message if you don't want your information out there. But if you take a picture or a video and you send it to us of you with your home escape plan, practicing your home escape plan, you will be entered into a drawing to win a family pizza night. And in 1 week, so on April 29th, we will choose, out of the people that have sent us a response, we will choose one winner and they will get a family pizza night provided by us. So get to developing your plans, work with your children, and I hope you're staying home, hope you're staying healthy.